In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in FigJam. Templates are a fast way to kickstart whiteboards, workshops, and brainstorms without having to build everything from scratch. And by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find them, preview them, and drop them into your canvas. First, open your FigJam file. It can be a new, untitled board or an existing one. It just needs to be a FigJam canvas. Give the file a moment to load so the toolbar and header fully appear. If you're working with a team, make sure you have edit access since you'll be adding content to the board. Next, look to the top of your screen near your profile picture. You'll see an icon that opens the templates library. Click that icon to reveal FigJam's template picker. This panel is your starting point for everything from brainstorming layouts to flowcharts, meeting agendas, retrospectives, and more. If you don't immediately see what you need, browse by category or use the search field to narrow things down. Hovering over a thumbnail usually reveals a short description so you can quickly assess whether the layout fits your goal. Take a moment here to preview a few options. Choosing the right structure up front can save you time later. When you find the template you want, select it and click Add Template. FigJam will place it directly on your canvas. It may appear centered or slightly offset depending on your current zoom level. So if you don't see it right away, zoom out or pan until it comes into view. Once it's on the board, it's ready to use immediately. You can click into sticky notes to rewrite prompts, relabel sections, and remove any parts you don't need. If the template feels too large or small, resize it as a group so everything stays proportional. You can also duplicate the template if you want multiple copies for different breakout groups. A quick tip: keep the template structure intact while you begin. It's designed to guide your thinking and collaboration, and small tweaks like changing headers or color coding areas are usually all you need. If you make a change you don't like, use undo to step back. And remember, everything is live, so teammates can join, type, and move stickies with you in real time. To recap, open your FigJam file, click the templates icon near your profile to browse, then choose a layout and hit Add Template. With those steps, you'll be up and running faster with a clear framework that keeps your session focused and productive.